Hey guys, Joe here with Rockets Health and Fitness. Today I want to talk to you about squats and 3 common problems I see in these. The first one is leaning forwards. So a lot of people don't recognise that they are doing this. First thing I would say is to hold your arms out in front of you. That way, when you come down to squat, if your hands point to the floor, you're aware that you are leaning forwards. Also, you can feel if you are raising your hands better, you can feel the weight distribution in your foot. This does also lead on to the second problem, but ideally we want to hold tension in the back. So when we come down, our chest and our hips are moving together. The second thing could be down to our calves and tight muscles in there, not allowing us to go into dorsiflexion. Showing you this, so if you watch the ankle joint, I'm going to come down. Because my feet don't let me come into dorsiflexion, the hips take over so we can perform this movement. Again, we want to address this problem more than we want to avoid it. So we want to stretch out our calves. To do this, just leaning back, it's quite a common one. Just going to bring one foot back and press my heel to the floor. Should feel a stretch in the back. If you can only get to there, guys, only go to there. Just come as far back as you can and feel the stretch and press down into it. Do this 30 seconds each side and each night, and you should see some improvements pretty quickly. The other thing that this could cause is when we're coming down to a squat, that our heels rise up off the floor and our weight comes to the ball of our foot, causing you to lose balance and lean forwards. So again, just stretch out your calves. It's quite an important one. It will affect squats quite a lot. The last one that I want to talk to you about is bowed legs. So when people come down into squat, it's not quite as common as the other two, but I do still see it. When people come down into a squat, their legs will bow into the middle as they try and press up. And down, now bow into the middle. What this shows is a weakness in the abductors. So the adductors try and take over in the motion. Whereas it's pretty clever, it tries to switch on so we can perform the full movement. To address this, it's nice and easy. I'm just going to focus on doing wide sumo squats. This way, it forces the abductors to switch on rather than coming in narrow, and this side switching on. So if I come out nice and wide, it means it takes the adductors completely out of play and they can't take over in the motion. The abductors have to perform the whole thing. Cool, so we're just going to come nice and controlled. Second one I would say is pause at the bottom. That way everything has to fire up in order to go up. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Joe with Rockets Health and Fitness. Follow us on Facebook. Get a lot more updates and workouts and things like that. Thank you, see you again soon.